How to change your email in Khan Academy. If you have been using the Khan Academy application and wondering on how to change your email on it, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it, so let's get started. First of all, open the application just like this. After opening it, you will find something like this on your home screen. Now tap on to settings at the top right corner, select it. Then scroll down and here you can find your settings and profile option. Now simply find the email option, and now here you can find there is no any email feature to simply change your email on it. Now to change your email, you need to sign out from this account. Now tap on to sign out right here, and after signing out, simply choose another email account and sign in onto that account. And only by doing that you can change your email on this application. And that's it. This is how you can change your email in the Khan Academy. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.